I think only Filipino organizations or agencies are allowed that kind of service within the Philippines. I think, Mama. I do not know. But I know that they are Filipinos, yes. No, I don't. No, ma'am. But no, I do not feel secure. As I said, that there's always been bias because when we see, say for example, DOJ, iniimbestigahan nila yung press con. Pero hindi nila iniimbestigahan kung bakit kami umabot doon sa press con na yon. Iniimbestigahan nila ang threat ko, no? Pero they've not ever investigated threats against me, which are all documented, but we do not give them the information because we don't trust them at all.